Here's what the video sounds like without any effects.
My phone is getting... Oh! There's something. Oh!
And this is what it sounds like with the effects.
My phone is getting... Oh! There's something. Oh!
So here is the audio clip. So what I did is I highlighted all of the audio clips, hit Command G to group it. And now I can do all of the final touches to this audio. So the effects that I used is I used voice isolation, and I put it to 70%. You can move it up and down, and it does make a difference. I feel like with it all the way, it does make it too isolated. It seems kind of strange, like it's just there's not enough audio, but with it down to about 70%, you still have like the atmosphere of the background. Here's what it sounds like at 100%.
My phone is getting... Oh! There's something. Oh!
So after the 70%, I also included loudness. I had it at 40% and 3%, and then I added a compressor. I did nothing to the compressor, and then I added a limiter, and I clicked on this button. I added -3 dB, and I added 3 dB. And that was it for this video. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing, as it helps this channel to grow, and thank you so much for watching.